All right, this is Beck's Bolero by Jeff Beck. So we're going to start out with this chord that has an open A and then 7, 6, 5 and open E down here. We're going to use that same shape when we change to different chords like the 10, 9, and 8 and the 12, 11, 10 up here. Still have the little E and the A bass with all those chords. We're also going to have one down here on the 5, 4, 3. So our first one is the A chord. We're going to go. So that was down and then down, up, down like a triplet. And then another down strum, so it's going to go. On that second measure there, we have a series of triplets. So it's 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. And I suggest trying to get each triplet with a down, up, down. It's a little easier to go back and forth, down, up, down, up, down, up. But it doesn't quite have the same kind of sound. And it'll take a little bit of practice to get it up to speed. But so let's check this out again. We got 3, 4. Okay, then it would start over. And it actually goes through that, cycles through that 5 times in a row. So one more time, let's look at that. We got 3, 4. And then we do our switch, 3, 4. And then up to the 12. Now once we've done those, we're going to settle into one measure each of this A to G. Okay, so the G one has the extra triplets there. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So let's try that one again. We'll do this twice through. 3, 4. Okay, and then it starts over. Do the whole thing one more time. Got 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then when that's happening, we have a melody. It's going to go. So that second string, 8, going up and down to the 7 and back to the 8. And then we're going to come up here to the 10. 10 up and down, 8 to 10, and then 9 that time. Do that one again. It's going to end with that one. Okay, so a little review here. We got 8 and 7. And then 10, 8 to 10. And then 10 up and down, 8 to 9. To the 8. And then do that riff again. To the 8. And then this first time it's going to go and end on the 10. And then it starts over. And this time it just goes 8. Okay, then there's a little slide solo we're going to take a look at. So the slide solo is going to go 12 to 14 on the G string to start. And then we're going to go. Okay, so that was 12 to 14 on the G. And then we're going to come second string, 15 to 14. Down to the next two 14s. 14 to 12, down the 12s there. Okay, so it's. Then we're going to go up those 12s. Okay, so 14 into 15 on the little E. And back, and then 15 on the second. Kind of around a D chord there, to the 14 on the G there. And then 15 to 14 on the little E. Okay, so 15, 14, and then two 14s, and then 14, 12, 14, 12 with an extra 12. So it's. And then we got. So that's 15, 17, 19. 15 into 17, that's on the second string. Then we're gonna have one more. 15, 17, 19. Get to end on the 10 there, kind of. We have a new melody comes in at that point. So to go back to that part that's like. All that kind of stuff. And then we got a real cool heavy part that comes in. Okay, so kind of the same thing in 3 different spots. So we got 5 here in the big one. End up hitting it 3 times. 3 on the 5th string. 5, 4, 3 here. Hit 2 G's there. Bend the 5 on the 5th string up and down and go to the 3 there. So it's. Now the second time you won't do the double on the G. Just 1, 3. And then the rest play out just like that. So 6 to 8 slide. Twice. Into the 10. Okay, then we're gonna hit an E power chord. A couple times there, like 2 beats each. And then we're gonna get into 3 bars of triplets on this. Okay, then we're back into a. And all that kind of thing. Okay, then we have an outro solo. Before the outro solo, there's one little thing he gets going at some point with some pull-offs. So 9, 5 open, we're gonna do 8 times. And then 10, 7, 0. Do that 8 times, and then 12, 9 open. Okay, then it's gonna go 9, 5, 0 to 7, 5, 0. That's where we did this. Those 2 chords get going, so 4 times of that, and then 4 times of 7, 5, 0. And then we're back to 9, 5, 0 like 10 times. I think that was about 10. Okay, so then we got the outro solo. It's gonna bend up on this 12 and the G string. And these are kind of slow. So that was 14 to 12, and then kind of 13s up to 14. Kind of back and forth between 14 and 12 around here. So we got. And now, this one's gonna go up, 14 to 16. 14, back down. Then we have a few little lead notes here. We got. So that was bend the 16 on the G string to the little 17 to the 14 on the G string. And then we're gonna come here on the G string, 19th fret, bend it, regular note, then bend up and down to the 17, bending the 20 on the 2nd string, and then we got 20 to 17, and then a bend down to the regular 20 there, and then that's a little triplet at the end of that measure. 17, 20, 17, then 20, 19 up and down, one more 19, and a quick 20, and it's like the song's over at that point. Okay, so Beck's Bolero, let's take a quick look at everything. So we had that. Okay, we had our melody. And the first time, We'll end on that 10, and then it comes in again. And this one just ends on that 8. Okay, we had that slide solo, we got the heavy riff. Okay, and then you're back into all that with the chords and everything. We had that little outro solo. We had the pull-off thing. Okay, Beck's Bolero, Jeff Beck, great stuff. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.